Hello students, welcome to Saurabh sir's classes. So for classes, mock test study material, you may contact in the number given in the description. Let's solve one problem from CUET physics, thermodynamics first law, right? So the question states that 1000 joule of heat is given to a system. It does 400 joule of work on the surroundings. Then what is the change in the internal energy, right? So it's very easy. We'll just get the answer from the our theoretical formulae. So we know that the delta change in the internal energy, delta U equal to Q minus W, right? So we have 1000 as Q, heat release, and work done, and is the work done is 400, so total joule, so it will come around 600 joule, right? Hope this problem as well as the solution is clear. So thank you.